How to fix iPhone not receiving text messages after iOS 18 update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings app. Then navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, give fresh restart to your device. For that, head towards the option General. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option of Shutdown. You'll get the slider icon to the right. Then turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Next, scroll down, click on the option Apps. From here, find the app messages. Once you find it, open it. Now, make sure you have enabled for the option iMessage. If you have already enabled it, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it on. Likewise, scroll down. Make sure you have enabled for this option, Send as text message, likewise MMS messages. Once you check the settings, you'll be good to go. Now you can head back. Go to the main page of settings. Navigate to the option Focus. Make sure you haven't enabled any of these options. If you have enabled it, disable it. Next up, you can reset network settings. For that, head back. Go to the option General. Then scroll all the way down. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings and go to the process. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there might be deeper software or hardware issue, so you can go ahead and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not receiving text messages on your iPhone after updating to iOS 18. If this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.